Inamin naman ni PBBM na walang kakayahan ng Pilipinas na tapatan at palayasin ang monster ship ng China. Ang iba pang mga Chinese vessel na umaaligid sa ating teritoryo, hindi rin nagpapatinag sa mga radio challenge ng PCG. Narito ang agenda report ni Francis Folve.
Namataan na naman ng BRP Jose Rizal habang nagpapatrolya sa West Philippine Sea ang tatlong Chinese Navy ship 57 nautical miles sa may Bajo de Masinloc o Scarborough Shoal. Isa sa mga ito ay ang Guided Missile Jiangkai II Class Frigate. Ayon sa Philippine Navy, 3 beses silang nag-issue ng radio challenge.
To China Coast Guard Vessel 3.
Ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa naman ng Coast Guard, halos isang linggo nang nagbibigay ng radio challenge sa Chinese Coast Guard Vessel 3304 na nasa 105 to 115 nautical miles sa baybayin ng Zambales na sakop ng ating exclusive economic zone. Ayon kay PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, malinaw ang bilin ni PBBM.
The President has given this instruction yesterday that as far as the Coast Guard is concerned, every time that we are going to monitor this kind of presence from the China Coast Guard, the Philippine Coast Guard has to, 1, challenge their presence, 2, make them inform that they are actually violating the international law and that our patrol that we are conducting is in accordance with the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, and the 2016 Arbitral Award. And then fourth one, he also mentioned that the important responsibility of the Philippine Coast Guard is to protect the welfare of the Filipino fishermen every time na may namomonitor tayong mga ganitong illegal presence of the Chinese Coast Guard.
Kahapon, sinabi ng Pangulo na hindi kayang paalisin ng ating puwersa ang tinaguriang monster ship ng China.
Kung meron tayong aircraft carrier na may kasamang destroyer, frigate at saka submarine, na papupuntahin natin doon para matulak silang palayo. Wala naman tayong ganun. Kung sa palakihan at paramihan lang ng barko, malayo tayo sa China.
Pero ayon kay Tariela, may ibang konteksto ang sinabi ng Pangulo.
I think what the President really wants to say is that the current administration, together with the support of the Congress and Senate, is to modernize the Philippine Coast Guard. No? This is the reason why President Bongbong Marcos last year approved the acquisition of 5 more 9-meters from Japan and 40 more vessels that will be coming from France as well. This information is actually an open book that the Philippine Coast Guard would require more assets for us to safeguard our maritime rights in the entire West, not just in the West Philippine Sea, but for our entire maritime jurisdiction as an archipelagic country.
Dagdag ni PBBM, misyon ng PCG na protektahan ang territorial integrity ng bansa. Kaya naman patuloy itong gagawin ng tropa ng gobyerno kahit mas tumitindi pa ang pambubuli ng China. Para sa agenda, Francis Folve, Billionaire News Channel.